What is going on YouTube? Old Tom, Ram69. Give y'all a update on the GT buddy build with Jamie, and we'll show you, got several shop cards that have come in, and we'll do a mail call for all those channels. So first up, we're going to do the mail call. We got Mark's card, Mark from Montana, and if you're not subbed to Mark, go check out his channel. He does a lot of really nice work, and he loves his biplanes from the Great War, and does some really nice work with those, and does a lot of nice figures, and does some nice dioramas, and just really, really nice work. Great guy. And if you're not subbed to Mark, definitely go check out his channel. And I will put a link to all these channels in the description box, so you can go check them out if you're not subbed to them, and give them a sub, give them a like, and tell them what you think. But you'll really enjoy Mark's channel. He does some really, really nice work. Thanks for the card, Mark. We'll get you up here on the board, buddy. And we got David's card, the Plastic Imagination Workshop. He builds a little bit of everything across a lot of genres and does some really, really nice work. And if you're not subbed to David, please go do so. Check out his channel. And we want to thank you, David, for sending the card, and we'll get you up here on the board, buddy. And we got Bob's card in. Bob O's Model Fab Works, and some really, really nice work. I love this card too. Great card, and we really appreciate the kind words, Bob, and we appreciate that you support on my channel. And if you're not subbed to Bob, go give him a look, give him a sub, check out his channel. Thanks again, Bob. We'll get you up here on the board, buddy. We got Mr. Doug Hensley. He sent me both his new cards, so we got both of them in the mail. Really nice cards, by the way, and really appreciate it, Doug. He also sent his little business card. We appreciate all that stuff, Doug, and I can't imagine who's not subbed to Doug, but great channel, and great guy, very generous, does some awesome work, and we'll get you up here on the board. We already got you up here on the board with your old card, but we'll get you up here, and we'll put some more of your cards up. And we got the sticker from Jeff Lawless, the bearded guy. If you're not subbed to Jeff, you definitely need to go check out his channel. Does some really nice work. He's been building a KW123, and it's really, really, really nice truck. And everyone just go check out Jeff, and give him a sub and a like, and I think you'll like what you see over there. So we appreciate you, Jeff, and we'll get your sticker up here. I think I need to make a sticker board, because I got a lot of stickers in, so probably going to have to make a sticker board. But thanks again, Jeff. So this is what we got. We're doing the buddy build with Jamie G, and we'll show you what kind of progress we've been doing. And all this is going to be the lots and lots of carbon fiber work. The wing now is carboned and decaled, and you got to do all this carbon work, and it is very, very time consuming. These little wing supports that are like both sided, and you got to put all this, cut all your carbon fibers out of a sheet and get everything on, and it's just very, very, very time consuming. And this is going to be this scoop. All this carbon is going to get cleared. None of it is cleared at the moment, but decided to see if I could do the dashboard, and that was quite an undertaking, but it turned out amazing, and we're really happy the way this dash looks. It's all in carbon now, and the neat thing about this model is with the slope of the windshield, you'll see all of this, so it's not going to be hidden, so it's going to look really cool. And interior tub, finally got it all detailed up. It's a neat kit. Lots of great detail. We did a photo etch seat harness, got the racing harness all done, and all the carbon on here is done. This carbon's been cleared so I can start working on this chassis. So all this carbon is done. We can get going on this, and we can start getting some progress and getting that put together. And we got clear on the body. This all has to be sanded and buffed out yet, but we got some clear on it, and she's looking pretty good, and we're liking the way she's coming out. So this is going to be, I'm really loving this paint scheme, but this Gulf livery is just awesome. Great, great. Really like it. So coming out really nice. Really happy with it. So that's where we got, and having fun with our buddy Bill with Jamie. Just having a really good time with it, and lots of other stuff in life going on. You know, always got other projects and stuff going on, so we don't probably get as much time to build models or make videos or whatnot, but I tried to keep up with everybody's YouTube, and that in itself is a full-time job. But everybody out there is doing some nice work, and everybody take care, and keep building those awesome models. We're not going to keep you long. Old Tom, Rambler 69. We're headed, guys.